Far from the industrial south of Brazil is the northern state of Bahia. It is a rural region, better known for the production of rubber and cocoa. But it is here, amid the remnants of the Atlantic rainforest, that Ford Motor Company has built one of the most advanced automobile factories in the world. The Camaçari plant, which opened in 2001, is more automated than any of Ford's facilities in the United States. There are more robots here than in many U.S. plants, but that is only part of the story. Camaçari is also one of the most flexible factories in the world, capable of producing 5 different vehicle platforms at the same time on the same line. The workforce is young and eager to learn. Every employee, from top management to rank-and-file assembly line workers, wears the same uniform, and all dine in the same cafeterias where discussion of product and procedures is encouraged. But the real revolution at Camaçari lies in the close integration of Ford suppliers in the assembly process. Most of these suppliers have their own assembly lines right inside Ford's factory. Companies like Lear and Visteon produce a variety of sub-assemblies from seats to dashboards, right alongside the main assembly line. And they feed those components into the main Ford line at the precise point in time they are needed. One of the most complex parts of automobile manufacturing is chassis assembly. At Camaçari, 7 different suppliers assemble the various components of each vehicle's underbody on moving carts. Bentler adds the engines, as well as the suspension. Kautex adds the fuel system. Arvin Meritor, the exhaust system. When all of these parts are assembled, the finished chassis rolls right into the main Ford assembly line. There, it is mated to the unibody, and the vehicle is finished. It's an entirely different way of making automobiles, a study in efficiency that makes this plant one of the leanest in the world.
Another thing that makes Ford's plant in Camaçari unique is this: the company's own port, where ships like the Martorell come in to unload vehicles like the Fusion from Mexico, the Ford Focus from Argentina, and to pick up cars like the EcoSport from the Camaçari plant to export to other markets.
Sources in Dearborn say privately that this is the sort of facility Ford would love to build in the U.S., if only the UAW, historically averse to this sort of supplier integration, would allow it.